Hey everyone, so we are now here in St. Lucia, and this is the accommodation that we've had here. It is located in Marigot Bay, and it's really a beautiful accommodation. So let's start first in the living area, or let's say the kitchen. So that's the main door, okay? And then this is the kitchen. Hi, Lovey.
Hey.
So here's the kitchen. Where's the refrigerator? Oh, nice.
Hidden.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the refrigerator. They have microwave, oven, everything you need actually. So this is the kitchen, or I mean the dining table. And again, just like the Rustico Barbados, it has a lot of windows. So there's lots of ventilation going on here. And this is the living room. So finally it has a television. So that's the living room. And here is another mirror. Right? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. My gosh, probably this is one of the best Airbnb that we've ever had. Really. Okay, now let's go to the bedroom. My gosh, look at the bedroom. Like, it's really huge. The bed is a king bed. Like, it's really freaking huge. Like, you know, like, there's really a lot of space for the two of us, which we like. So that's the bedroom, and then that's where I made the intro a while ago. That's the mirror there. And then cabinets, of course. Again, we will not use that because we prefer our clothes in the luggage. And then this is another view here. Right? It's so nice. So now let's go to the balcony area. So this is the balcony here. Yeah, it's kinda a huge balcony as well. So there. And oh my gosh, like you could definitely see the sunset here. Like you don't need to go anywhere. Like this accommodation has a sunset. Oh my gosh. So that's the Marigot Bay. Look at that, it's beautiful, right? And then there's like a dock here for boating, catamaran or something. And then she told the caretaker told us that there are convenience store on that area, and there are some restaurants as well. And also on the bottom of this apartment, there's also a restaurant, coffee shops, pretty much everything you need. So it's definitely complete. And we are also, I forgot the name of the hotel, but we are allowed to roam that area or the resort. We can use the gym, we can use the swimming pool. So that's the name. It's Zoe Tree Marigot Bay, St. Lucia. So yeah, we can go there. So this wristband should stay with you all the time or until you leave St. Lucia, so you can have an access on their pool and on their gym. So oh my gosh, look at that, right? Like it's just so amazing. Like the view is just so relaxing. And my gosh, I made a good choice. So this is definitely one of the best Airbnb that we've ever rented. Like really, I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh. So after reviewing the video, I actually forgot to take a video of the restroom. So by the way, this is the toilet or the restroom. It's really nice as well. But I think, yeah, it's perfect. It's enough for two people. And also, oh, they have a washing machine and a dryer as well. So which is also a plus again there. So there's the washing machine and there's the dryer. Nice, right? So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. If you do like it, hey, hit the thumbs up. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and if you do like it, hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Cess. And stay golden. Bye.